Now, today we will discuss about sequence and series formula that is most important for class 11th and 12th as well as competitive exam. You have to focus here on formula, sequence and series formula, and already I will give you tips and tricks for competitive exam without formula also. And today I will give you some formula that help you. Now, let's we move on formula of sequence and series. That sequence and series. Today I will discuss sequence and series topic. Sequence and series. Now today we will discuss this sequence and series, and you have to better understand all this formula that is the most important for hacking these competitive exams. Now we will move on formula number one, the most important formula, sum of first natural number. Most important formula, sum of first natural number. Sum of first natural number. You have to read sum of first natural number. Sum of first natural number is equal to n times n plus 1 by 2. If question is asking like that, sum of first 50 natural number is, then you have to do 50 into 51. That will be the answer. One number you have to increase. The sum of first 50, 40 number is, then you have to do 40 into 41. Then answer will directly come by this formula. The first sum of first natural number is n times n plus 1 divided by 2 is the formula of sum of first natural number. And another formula is sum of first even natural number. Sum of first evens natural number. Evens natural sum of first evens natural number n times n plus 1. Sum of first evens natural number n times n plus 1, and sum of first natural number, then you have to think that you have to first calculate sum of first even natural number and divided by 2, that will come for sum of first natural number divide n times n plus 1 by 2. You have to calculate this and divided by 2, then that formula will come sum of first natural number n times n plus 1 divided by 2, and you will note that there is no division by 2. So this is the formula of sum of first evens natural number. Sum of first natural number, this is evens natural numbers, and there is odd natural number also. You have to do square only. Sum of first odd natural number. Sum of first odd natural number. Odd natural number. Sum of first odd natural number. You have to understand this formula only. Sum of first natural number is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first even natural number n times n plus 1. Sum of first odd natural number is n square. This is Bijora directly square. There is Jora n times n plus 1. First natural number n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And I will give you another. Sum of first square natural number. Sum of first square natural number. Square natural number. This is most important formula. N times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is the formula of sum of first square natural number. Sum of the first square natural number, n times n plus 1, 2 times, then 2n plus 1 divided by 6 is the formula of sum of the first natural number. Now move to the formula number 5. Sum of first cube natural number now. Sum of first, sum of first, sum of first cube natural number. Cube, sum of first cube natural number, sum of first cube natural number is equal to, you have to do like this, n times n plus 1 divided by 2 square. You have to do this, sum of first natural number and square. This is the formula sum of first cube natural number. Or you have to do this, n means n square times n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. You have to do this or this you have to do. And another formula is that sum to infinity. This is also important. Sum to in f sum to infinity formula means yes infinity, a by 1 minus r. This is the formula of sum to infinity. This is the formula of sum to infinity. That formula number 7, sum to infinity, gm square is equal to am into hm. 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 And you already know this harmonic mean. Hm means 2ab by a plus b. 2ab by a plus b. Harmonic mean hb. hm harmonic mean 2ab by a plus b. This is also important formula. 9 number, this geometric mean is equal to root under ab. This question is also asking again and again. This question is also asking again and again. And most important formula is this. Now we'll discuss on formula number 10. Now we'll discuss on formula number 10 about GP. About GP. We'll discuss on formula. That formula goes on GP. GP like this form AR, AR, AR square, AR cube. GP is like this form. And common ratio, that common ratio is like this. Common ratio R T2 by T1, common ratio T2 by T1, and T1 AR n minus 1 you have to do in this form. If question is asking sum S, then A R को power n minus 1 by R minus 1 greater than 1 case, greater than 1. In this case you have to apply this formula. If sum A 1 minus R का power n by 1 minus R, then less than 1, less than, you have to apply this formula. You have to apply this formula in the case of, I will go in the case of AP, arithmetic progression. AP 11 number case. AP 11 number formula is that, I will go in this 11 number AP. AP means arithmetic progression. This concept you have to understand. There is formula of sum in the case of AP is n times 2, then 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Athwa you have to apply another formula. That another formula is n by 2 times a plus l, where a is first term, a is first term, and l is the last term, l is the last term. L is the last term. There is general term also, yes. That is number of term or general term, yes. General term you have to find like that. Tn means a plus n minus 1 time d. That is Tn. You have to calculate Tn. You have to find that number of mean. You have to find number of mean, that is b minus a by n plus 1. You have to find number of mean like this. Yes. Then 12 number formula. This is most important formula. In the case of exclusive is given, and there is in question there is between 1 to 5 like this, and between case is given between 1 to 5, and then exclusive is given. Then you have to apply this formula. N is equal to b minus a by d. B minus a by d minus 1 is the formula. Exclusive is given, between case, then number is equal to b minus a by d minus 1. Formula number 13. If inclusive is given, if inclusive even is given, if inclusive even is given, then you have to apply the formula that n is equal to b minus a by d plus 1. This is the formula of sequence and series. That formula is most important for this topic. You have to read all the formula of sequence and series what I write down in copy, and you have to memorize this formula. That is very helpful to you. Sequence and series, most important formula. You have to memorize all this formula about sequence and series. Now I will make another video of today, that is coordinate geometry, all the formula. Let's buy today.